Shiv Sena Chief Balasaheb Thackeray's condition is critical. Balasaheb's family members and party leaders have gathered late last night at Matoshri, the residence of Bal Thackeray in Mumbai. Thackeray, who has been ailing for some time, continues to be under constant medical supervision. A team of doctors stationed inside the house with nursing staff has been taking care of the Sena patriarch, who is having breathing problems. Last month, he could not attend his party's annual Dussehra rally in Mumbai, but addressed it through a video-recorded message. Now, several leaders, including former President Pratibha Patil, have visited Thackeray's residence over the past few days to inquire about his health. Well, Megha now joins me live. Megha, take us through the latest update that you have on his health. Megha joins me live now. Megha, take us to the latest that you have on his health now. Well, Balasaheb Thackeray has been ailing for some time now, and last night crowds had gathered outside his residence, especially Shiv Sena's supporters. Now, Thackeray has been ailing for some time now and is under constant medical supervision. A team of doctors stationed inside the house with nursing staff has been taking care of the Sena patriarch, who's having breathing problems. Last night, in fact, Uddhav Thackeray had come out to address supporters. He told supporters of the Shiv Sena that Uddhav Thackeray is stable, though critical still, but he has said that he is sure that Balasaheb will come out of this fighting. Now, Megha Prasad joins me from outside Matoshri. Megha, take us through the latest that you have on his health.
Well, the information that we've been getting through our sources within the Sena, and of course the doctors who've been treating Balasaheb, we seem to have been given to understand that at this moment, he is of course critical. He remains to be critical, but Balasaheb at this moment is, his heart is beating, even though a lot of other vital statistics of his has gone down. But at this moment, he's fighting to come back, and since I'm standing here at Matoshri, I would like to show you the arrangements that have been made here, because last night a lot of his followers had come in after the news of his ill health had spread within the cadres of the Shiv Sena, and the police, of course, now doesn't want to take any more chances, because last night the situation had slightly gone out of control. And at this moment, what you can see is Rapid Action Force, at least 2 units of Rapid Action Force, a lot of Mumbai police presence here. Also, SRP has been brought in. So the entire area around Matoshri, the residence of Balasaheb Thackeray, has been practically cordoned off for the outside vehicles, for people outside, and even his cadres, the media. All of them are now kept at a distance from his residence.
Right, Megha Prasad, thanks very much for updating us.